Unboxing fresh back-to-school sneakers is an amazing feeling, but taking that first step and feeling the toe box crease is pure heartbreak. Your investment shouldn't look like beat-up gym shoes on day one. You need a reliable system to stop creases and scrub out dirt. First, defend your toe box with gel-padded crease guards. Just slide them inside your sneakers before you ever walk outside. They contour to your foot and keep the premium leather perfectly flat. Next, you need the best sneaker cleaning kit for college students. Walking across campus will absolutely trash your favorite kicks. A few drops of a concentrated cleaner creates an immense lather. The rich foam lifts heavy dirt and conditions the leather instantly. Finally, walking miles every day means your shoes are going to sweat. Ditch the chemical sprays and use a natural essential oil deodorizer. One quick mist neutralizes bacteria and eliminates bad dorm room odors. Want the exact gear? Click the link in the description to read our full guide.